Alright guys, so we got some all new EBC brakes. 100% British made. These are brake pads. And here is our EBC rotors. And it is for the front for our 2007 Toyota Corolla. We're using our Badlands jack to jack our Corolla up. Moving our tires.
Tires are removed, or tire is removed.
Here is our rotors and our brake pads. Unboxing our EBC brake pads, and comes with the stickers, brake pads, and we got the yellow one. We're using a number 14 to loosen the bolts here and here. There you go.
We're now removing the caliper part. There you go.
Wow, it's so dirty.
I know. Just need to clean that a little bit and then hang it somewhere here. Just making sure you're not putting tension on the brake lines.
Removing the brake pads. It's almost out.
Yeah.
There you go.
One out.
Oh, damn. Okay.
And then there's another one in the back. There you go.
Since we don't have a lift and the impact driver can't fit there, we're using our extended impact driver. And we already loosened the rear, and we're now working on the top screw. We just finished removing the brake caliper, and we are now going to remove the rotor.
We are now just cleaning.
And we just finished spraying it with this brake cleaner. And wow, it's really dirty.
Yeah.
We're now cleaning the brake caliper. And here's the before. And then here's the after. So there you go. Making some progress here. After cleaning the spindle, we're now going to put our brake rotor. We're now putting our brake rotor in first. There you go.
Oh, that looks nice.
After cleaning the brake caliper, we're now going to install it back in. We're now tightening up the screws. Hold on, let me just hand tighten it real quick. So we Googled it and it said 80 pound-feet of torque. So we're torquing it right now. There you go. That's one. We're now working the top. There. Our EBC brake pads didn't come with any clips. So what we did was we transferred our old clip to the new brake pads. After putting the clip on, we're now going to install the noise reduction shims. And there it is right there. We're now putting the brake pads in. There you go. There's the front or the top, and we're now doing the bottom. After putting the brake pads, we are now going to compress the brakes. And we got this from Harbor Freight. So we had to improvise our brake compressor.
Yeah,
because
this is too short to go in.
So there you go. We're thinking outside the box.
Yeah.
And it's almost compressed.
Yeah.
We're now screwing our brake caliper back on, and then we're going to torque it. We're using 25 pound-feet of torque. There you go.
There.
And then that's the top, and we're now doing the bottom. There. All done. Now we're just going to put the tire back on. So we just finished completing the driver side. New brake pads and new brake rotors from EBC. Now we're going to do the other side. So we're working on the passenger side now, and this time we're doing it quick because we already know what to do on the other side. We already removed the brake caliper, and we're now going to remove the rotor. So after cleaning the brake calipers, we already finished putting the brake rotors and the brake pads, and we're now going to put the brake caliper. But before we put the brake caliper, we would have to compress it. So we are now compressing the brake caliper. So we're now torquing it.
There we go. One.
That's one. And now the bottom. There, all done. Finished torquing everything and putting everything back together. Now all we have to do is just put the tires and test drive this. We're checking the brakes. And how's the brake pedal?
It's actually really hard.
It's really hard? All right, cool. All right, let's start it and just go a little bit back and forth. All right, so we are now test driving our new brakes. Whoa. Woo. There you go. It's doing a good job. Whoa. Damn. Good brakes. We're now taking this outside. There you go, you fit. Off she goes for the test. Nice. While test driving this, the first layer is actually starting to break in already. So we're just going, well, not on and off, but we're going like 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, and then brake. So we're just still doing the braking in process. We're now doing a brake test. So we already went over 30 miles an hour and we're braking. And we're now here in this place and we're just testing it. And okay, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. There's still a little bit of grinding because it's so brand new, but it's getting better and quieter. So we're doing some turns here. Here, I'll do another brake check. Damn, so much better than stock.
I know.
Or our previous one. Okay, all right, we'll just keep on testing it.
So how was it?
Oh wow, it's so smooth. We already put a few miles already. See, no grinding, so quiet. Wow, we did a great job.
Yeah, we did a great job.
Here, I'm gonna do another curve while pressing the brakes. There you go. Nice. So we finished test driving our Corolla and we're here at Harbor Freight. We're just here to buy just some miscellaneous stuff. We're here at Mastro's and wow, we got the 33 ounce, was it chef special? Medium rare. And then we got some Brussels sprouts and bread. And we're still waiting. Oh, there's the potatoes right there. Is our potatoes right here. Oh my gosh. This looks and smells so good. Okay, let's do this.
Looking like a superfly disco. You can ride looking like a superfly disco.
Damn, this is mine.